Welcome back, my friend. Take a deep breath. Right now, I want you to feel every word you say. Not just say it. Feel it. Believe it. This is not just English practice. This is transformation. Are you ready? Let's begin. I can speak English fluently. I can speak English fluently. I trust the process of learning. I trust the process of learning. I'm getting better every day. I'm getting better every day. I'm confident when I speak English. I'm confident when I speak English. I feel calm and focused. I feel calm and focused. I love learning. I love learning. English is becoming easier. English is becoming easier. You are not just repeating words. You are building your future. You are growing stronger, more confident every time you speak. This is your new identity. This is who you are becoming. So keep going. Your voice matters. Your English matters. You matter. Imagine this. Your phone rings. You pick it up, and suddenly it's time to speak English. No face to read, no body language, just your voice, just your confidence. This is how real conversations begin. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you clearly. Yes, I can hear you clearly. Great. How are you? How are you? I'm doing well, thank you. I'm doing well, thank you. What about you? What about you? What about you? I'm fine too. Thanks for asking. I'm fine too. Thanks for asking. That's it. You just had a real phone conversation in English. And guess what? You did it with calm, with clarity, with confidence. Next time someone calls, you won't hesitate because you're ready. Let's keep going. You're not just learning English, you're becoming someone unstoppable. Let's step into the past for a moment. Close your eyes, take a breath, and let your imagination take over. You're about to tell a story in English, and you're going to tell it with emotion, with detail, and with clarity. Ready? Let's go. Yesterday, I went to the park. Yesterday, I went to the park. The sun was shining. The sun was shining. I met a friend. I met a friend. We talked and laughed. We talked and laughed. It was a great day. It was a great day. I felt happy and relaxed. I felt happy and relaxed. That's it. You've just shared a beautiful story in English. And do you see how it flows? How the words connect? How you could almost feel the warmth of the sun and the joy of that moment? This is how you'll speak, with ease, with confidence, and with emotion. So the next time you tell a story, don't just say the words. Live them, feel them, and speak them with all your heart. Now let's turn our focus to the future. What are you going to do tomorrow? What's in store for you? Let's practice talking about your future plans in English. Remember, when we talk about the future, we use will or going to express our plans. Let's say it together. Ready? Tomorrow, I will wake up early. Tomorrow, I will wake up early. I'm going to study English for 1 hour. I'm going to study English for 1 hour. I will go for a walk. I will go for a walk. I will eat healthy food. I will eat healthy food. I will stay positive and focused. I will stay positive and focused. Great job! You're talking about the future with confidence. But don't just stop here. As you continue your journey, remember, your future is in your hands. Every decision, every plan you make today shapes the tomorrow you'll live. So keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep believing that you're capable of achieving all the beautiful things you're planning for. Situation 1. Asking for directions. Let's start with a simple but important situation. Asking for directions. If you're lost and need help finding the way, this is what you might say. Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop? Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop? Go straight and turn left. Go straight and turn left. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're welcome. You're welcome. You've got it. Now you're ready for real-life situations. Remember, confidence is key when asking for help. People are always happy to assist, and you'll get where you need to go. Situation 2, ordering at a coffee shop. Now, let's practice ordering at a coffee shop. It's a daily situation for many of us. Hi, I'd like a coffee, please. Hi, I'd like a coffee, please. Would you like milk or sugar? Would you like milk or sugar? Just milk, please. Just milk, please. That'll be $3.50. That'll be $3.50. Here you go. Thank you. Here you go. Thank you. Perfect. You just ordered a coffee like a pro. It's simple, but it's great practice for using English in real-world situations. Keep practicing these everyday dialogues to make your English more natural. Daily reflections. Objective: develop the ability to think in English. Content: what did I do today? I studied English. I exercised. I learned something new. What will I do tomorrow? I will continue learning. I will take care of my health. Descriptions and feelings. Objective: describe the surroundings and personal emotions. Content: my room is small but cozy. There's a desk and a chair. The walls are white. It feels peaceful here. I feel tired but happy. Present continuous practice. Objective: describe actions happening right now. Content: I'm walking down the street. I'm listening to music. I'm drinking a smoothie. I'm enjoying the sunshine. Expressing emotions. Objective: express emotions naturally and appropriately. Content: I'm surprised. That's amazing. I feel a little nervous. I'm trying to stay calm. This is exciting. We have practiced and explored important skills to improve your English communication confidently and effectively. Whether it's pronunciation, phone conversations, or expressing emotions, each part of today's lesson provides an opportunity for you to grow and enhance your language abilities. Keep practicing every day. Keep learning, and you'll see great progress. Remember, patience and effort will bring wonderful results. If you found today's lesson helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on future lessons. Together, we will go further on our English learning journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.